Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Measure 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt. Warm 1/2 cup milk to 110 degrees F and mix with 2 large eggs and 1 packet yeast to activate. Let rest 5 to 10 minutes until foamy. Use 1/2 cup melted butter and 1 tablespoon vanilla for richer dough, and add the butter after initial mixing. Combine wet and dry ingredients and knead for 8 minutes until smooth and elastic. Cover and let rise for 45 to 60 minutes until doubled in size. Cook 2 cups guava paste with 1/4 cup water and 2 tablespoons lemon juice until spreadable, about 6 to 8 minutes over medium-low heat, stirring constantly. Stir in 1/4 cup sugar only if paste is not sweet enough. Taste and adjust. The lemon keeps the flavor bright and prevents crystallization. Remove from heat and let cool slightly. Then chill, filling 15 minutes to thicken before assembling rolls so it spreads but does not leak during baking. Optionally fold in 1/2 cup shredded fresh cheese for classic contrast. Roll dough to a 12 by 8-inch rectangle. Spread cooled guava filling in an even layer, leaving a 1/2-inch border. Then roll tightly from the long edge into a log. Seal the seam, trim ends, and place seam side down on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Brush top with beaten egg for glossy color and chill 10 minutes to firm the shape. Bake at 350 degrees F for 25-30 minutes until golden brown. Cool 10 minutes before slicing into 1-inch pieces, and serve warm or at room temperature for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.